Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Healbot installed and compatible with Wrath of the Lich King, your client restarted. First, enable the add-on, then load a default profile so you have a baseline. Next, bind simple mouse actions, left-click to target, mouse wheel to scroll, because immediate control matters in raids. Once done, assign groups and choose the compact layout. This makes frames readable. Make sure health and aggro text are visible so you can react fast. You now dive into detailed execution. Map spells to heal bot buttons, prioritizing quick heals and Ho TS, because click binding saves seconds under pressure. Once spells are mapped, enable Smart Cast and Smart Buff to reduce miscasts and automate routine targets. Then fine-tune range and aggro indicators so out-of-range fades and threat flashes alert you immediately. Finally, adjust bar color by class and resize icons for clarity, ensuring visual prioritization of. You finish by testing. Enter a dungeon or raid to verify bindings, cooldowns, and mouse overheals behave as expected. Real use reveals timing issues you won't see in menus. Once stable, save a profile per specialization and export a backup so you can restore quickly. If something breaks, first reload the UI. If spells are missing, check add-on load order and clear the cache. This troubleshooting path fixes most problems fast, keeping your healing consistent when it matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.